What's up guys, welcome back to another Git tricks video. In today's video I'll be talking about Git commit history. I have got a graph for you and this is something I'm going to be explaining to you in the first place. So if you look at this graph, you can see Monday to Sunday, pretty much every day of the year someone did commit, and this is how it looks like. And this is what I collected from the internet. I'm going to be showing you mine. Green colored box meaning that I did some commits on this particular day. So what about the other days? So basically the days are gray. Here you can see that I did not do any contribution on those particular days. So what happens if I want to actually make it pretty much like this one? So is this possible? Let's say today is 25th of January and I want to go back to, let's say, January 5th, January 2nd, or any days of the year. So I want to make a commit today for January 5th, for example, or January 10th, or December 2023, so that I could make my commit history just like that. Is this possible? It's possible. How to do it? I'm going to be showing you right now. So I'm gonna take you to the Visual Code Studio, and this is something I have written. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say git status and git add -u, and I'm gonna do a regular commit -m demoing the git commit history. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. And if I do a git log -1, so it's going to be showing you basically this particular commit that I have made. So right now the part I'm interested in, basically the date part. Here you can see the date. So this metadata, the information of the date, is taken into consideration when this particular graph is actually shown, meaning that when Git put the green color, is going to see for which particular date it has to make it colored. So if it is 25th, meaning that for the 25th of January it has to make it colored. January 25th I made this contribution. So what happens if I go back to maybe a couple of days before? So how to basically do it? There are two different ways. I'm going to be showing you one by one. So the first one is this. Git add -u, the same process, commit. This time I'm gonna say date, and in the date option I'm gonna put quotation and I'm gonna say, let's say 3 days ago. So I want to go 3 days back from today's date. Okay, then I'm gonna pass this message. So I'm gonna write something, go back to 3 days in the commit history. Okay, so now I have done it, and if you have seen this timestamp right there is January 22nd. That's what exactly you want. And if I say git push and I reload this page, I should be able to see the commit history for January, and let me see it. See that contribution? So first of all, what I have to say, I have to say git add -u. So no patch, format this, and for this case I need to specify the date format. So if you look at here, if I run this particular command, I would know how this date formation actually works in GitHub. So this time I could say git commit dash this date, and right here I could set the date. So instead of saying this, I could say 12. So this is from 2024. You could say 2022. You could say 2023. So you can go back to any date that you like to make the commit for. So this is what I'm going to be making, and then after that I'm gonna say message going back to 2023. If I do this, you can see it's actually putting the date for January 12, 2023. If I do a git push and I go back to January 2023, actually I can see the date here right there, January 12. So this is how you can make contribution for a certain day in your past Git history. So this is what I wanted to show you today. If you like this video, please smash this subscribe button. This is how you can support me. Thank you everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.